hand-stitch machine JK7A1. Decorative sewing for men's suits, ladies' dress, overcoats, leather clothes, casual clothes, shirts and ties, etc. Adjustable of sewing speed, stitch space and stitch length, convertible stitches in both sides, tune stitch. Equipped with a needle protector, the needle never broken, even under the conditions of high-speed sewing, thick fabrics and corn sewing. Besides the special decorative thread, other high-quality common sewing thread can be used to reduce the thread cost. The thread can be put into a new design needle with hook easily and quickly. For looser stitches, adjust the releasing knob and release the releasing holder beside the presser. The machine is at 500 stitches per minute. Thread length from 90 cm to 120 cm.